The universe is far stranger than most people imagine. Every night, when we look up at the stars, we see only a tiny fraction of what actually exists. Modern astronomy has revealed that everything we can observe, stars, planets, galaxies, gas, and dust, makes up less than 5% of the entire universe. The remaining 95% is composed of mysterious substances and forces that scientists still cannot fully understand. Despite incredible advances in technology, powerful space telescopes, and decades of research, the cosmos continues to hide its deepest secrets. Every new discovery seems to create even more questions than answers. From invisible matter and mysterious energy to giant cosmic structures that shouldn't exist, these mysteries challenge everything we know about physics and the nature of reality. Today, we're exploring 10 of the darkest and most fascinating mysteries in the universe that continue to puzzle scientists around the world. Mystery number 10. Dark matter, the invisible giant. Imagine looking at a galaxy through the world's most powerful telescope. You can see billions of shining stars spinning around the center. But according to the laws of gravity, these galaxies should actually fly apart. There simply isn't enough visible matter to hold them together. Something invisible is creating extra gravity. Scientists call this mysterious substance dark matter. Dark matter doesn't produce light, reflect light, or absorb light, making it completely invisible. Yet its gravitational pull shapes galaxies, galaxy clusters, and even the large-scale structure of the universe. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up about 27% of the entire universe. Over the years, researchers have built underground laboratories, launched satellites, and created massive particle detectors to search for dark matter particles. So far, every direct search has failed. Some scientists believe dark matter consists of unknown particles. Others suggest our understanding of gravity itself may be incomplete. After decades of investigation, dark matter remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in science. Mystery number 9. Dark energy, the force stretching space. If dark matter wasn't mysterious enough, dark energy is even stranger. For centuries, scientists assumed gravity would slowly slow down the expansion of the universe after the Big Bang. Instead, something shocking was discovered in 1998. The universe isn't slowing down. It's expanding faster and faster. Something appears to be pushing galaxies away from each other. Scientists call this unknown force dark energy. Dark energy is believed to make up nearly 68% of the universe, meaning it dominates everything we know. No one knows what dark energy actually is. Could it be a property of empty space? A new kind of energy field? Or evidence that Einstein's theory of gravity needs revision? Even today, astronomers continue mapping billions of galaxies in hopes of uncovering the true nature of this invisible force. Mystery number 8. Black hole singularities. Black holes are among the most extreme objects in existence. At their centers lies something known as a singularity. According to Einstein's equations, a singularity is a point where matter is crushed into infinite density and spacetime curves infinitely. But infinite values usually signal that our theories have broken down. The laws of physics simply stop working. Scientists have no idea what actually exists inside a singularity. Quantum mechanics and general relativity, the two greatest theories in physics, cannot both describe what happens there. Many physicists believe an entirely new theory called quantum gravity will eventually explain singularities. Until then, the true heart of every black hole remains hidden forever. Mystery number 7. Fast radio bursts. Imagine detecting a burst of radio energy so powerful that it releases more energy in a single millisecond than our sun emits in several days. These mysterious signals are called fast radio bursts, or FRBs. They arrive from distant galaxies without warning. Some occur only once. Others mysteriously repeat. Scientists have linked certain FRBs to highly magnetized neutron stars called magnetars, but not every burst fits this explanation. Some FRBs come from locations where magnetars shouldn't exist. Others repeat in unusual patterns that scientists still cannot explain. Every year, new FRBs are discovered, adding more pieces to a puzzle that remains incomplete. Mystery number 6. The Great Attractor. Our Milky Way galaxy is moving through space at more than 2 million kilometers per hour. But toward what? Astronomers discovered that thousands of galaxies appear to be drifting toward an enormous gravitational region known as the Great Attractor. The strange part is that this region lies behind the dense plane of our own galaxy, making direct observation extremely difficult. Scientists know something incredibly massive exists there, but exactly what it is remains uncertain. Some believe it's a giant concentration of galaxy clusters. Others think an even larger cosmic structure may be responsible. Despite decades of observations, the Great Attractor continues pulling galaxies toward an unseen destination. Mystery number 5. The Fermi Paradox. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Many of them have planets. Some are billions of years older than our Sun. Statistically, intelligent civilizations should exist throughout the galaxy. So where is everyone? This simple question forms the famous Fermi Paradox. Scientists have proposed countless explanations. Perhaps intelligent civilizations destroy themselves. Maybe advanced aliens avoid contact. Perhaps interstellar travel is nearly impossible. Or maybe humanity simply hasn't searched long enough. Projects scanning the skies continue searching for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations, but so far, the universe remains strangely silent. Mystery number 4. The Hubble Tension. One of astronomy's biggest recent surprises involves measuring the expansion rate of the universe. Different methods produce different answers. Observations of nearby galaxies suggest one expansion rate. Measurements based on the early universe suggest another. Both methods are extremely precise. Yet they disagree. This disagreement is known as the Hubble tension. Scientists have spent years checking instruments and calculations. The mismatch remains. If the discrepancy is real, it could point toward entirely new physics beyond our current understanding of cosmology. Mystery number 3. The origin of cosmic inflation. Right after the Big Bang, something extraordinary appears to have happened. The universe expanded unimaginably fast in a tiny fraction of a second. This event is called cosmic inflation. Inflation explains why the universe looks remarkably smooth and flat across enormous distances. But scientists don't know what caused inflation. What triggered it? What stopped it? What particle or energy field powered it? Until these questions are answered, the earliest moments of cosmic history remain largely mysterious. Mystery number 2. What happened before the Big Bang? The Big Bang marks the beginning of the observable universe. But was it truly the beginning of everything? Some physicists believe time itself started with the Big Bang. If that's true, asking what happened before may not even make sense. Others propose fascinating alternatives. Perhaps our universe emerged from a previous collapsing universe. Maybe it formed inside a giant black hole. Some theories suggest countless universes exist in an eternal multiverse. Currently, there is no experimental evidence confirming any of these ideas. The question of what existed before the Big Bang remains one of science's greatest philosophical and scientific mysteries. Mystery number 1. Why does anything exist at all? Our final mystery may be the deepest question ever asked. According to modern physics, the Big Bang should have created equal amounts of matter and antimatter. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other completely. If perfect balance existed, the universe would contain nothing but energy. Yet everything around us is made of matter. Somehow, for every billion antimatter particles, there were roughly 1,000,000,001 matter particles. That tiny imbalance allowed stars, planets, galaxies, and eventually life to exist. Scientists call this puzzle the matter-antimatter asymmetry. Experiments around the world continue searching for tiny differences between matter and antimatter. So far, no explanation fully accounts for the enormous imbalance we observe today. Without solving this mystery, we still don't know why the universe exists at all. The universe is the greatest mystery humanity has ever explored. Every new telescope, every spacecraft, and every scientific breakthrough reveals incredible discoveries, but also uncovers even deeper questions. Dark matter remains invisible. Dark energy continues accelerating the expansion of space. Black hole singularities hide the laws of physics. Fast radio bursts arrive from unknown cosmic engines. The Great Attractor pulls galaxies toward an unseen destination. The Fermi Paradox leaves us wondering whether we are truly alone. The Hubble Tension challenges modern cosmology. Cosmic inflation remains unexplained. The question of what came before the Big Bang has no confirmed answer. And perhaps most profound of all, scientists still don't know why matter exists instead of nothing. These mysteries remind us that humanity has only begun to understand the cosmos. The night sky is not just a collection of stars, it is a vast library of unanswered questions waiting for future generations to solve. As technology advances and new observatories peer deeper into space than ever before, some of these mysteries may finally be explained. Others may reveal even stranger secrets that completely transform our understanding of reality. Until then, the universe remains the greatest detective story ever told, and we're only reading the first chapter.